You already know, BlizzardlyCold. I bang that folk, and I got a folk, and I'm gon' poke. Yeah. Nigga die slow. Come where I come from, the slums. Niggas outside, but outside run they tongue. Nigga better run. Nigga, I got a gun. Nigga, I ain't the one. Nigga, I'm the devil. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way. Hey, east side I'm winning. Out here making a killing. I'ma stack it to the ceiling. I think I want a Bentley, or maybe the new Infinity. This rap shit nigga ain't new to me. You know who I be, a gangster on the rise. Who love them homicide, switch slang with suicide. The streets they open my eyes. Now I got the prize. A young nigga rise, heart full of that pride. Them fake niggas we collide, and guess who look on top? Them fake niggas they flop, and watch the body drop. I think they need to stop, but fuck them, let them ride. Hit them with the tech, lay their ass to rest. Hit them with the tech, nigga I'm blessed. It ain't no way, it ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way. Hey, you try me, you gon' be in. You try me, you gon' end. I done it from the beginning. My mind very brilliant. Weight more than 100 million. Weight more than 150. Lungs just like a symphony. God live up in me. Don't put away the drinking, now I got the pimpin'. Swag hella drippin'. Young nigga pay attention. I got drugs with the women. Big dogs holding them semen. And they all coming with me. Fuck nigga get the dippin'. Big slugs get the sprinting. And they all get the hitting. Them niggas never listen. Big holes through they bridges. Big holes through they fitted. Yeah, watch how you livin'. Nigga, watch how you live. Yeah, watch how you live. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. It ain't no way you gonna get up in my way.